DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to DADDYGVILLE'S world. Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to be talking about channel art, and right here is the very first profile picture that we've ever had, but going back to 2016. And this was actually a picture I took from ours, was it second vlog ever? What was it? Down by the riverside. Well, then I started getting into making the channel art and all that, and I make all my own channel art and stuff like that. But right here, we find it here. Right here is our original channel art, and you know, it was just something simple, just a green and black background with DADDYGVILLE'S vlogs, blah blah blah. That was our channel name then. That channel is still up, but everything is on private. But right here is our brand new channel art that I just made a few days ago. I made our channel originally for, you know, well, everybody, not our channel, but our channel art originally for mobile devices, and it looked like this, which it looked real good until I started looking. You know, I look online, then it had this red outlines, all that. But then you would look at it on a TV, and boom, there was a huge red picture with, you know, our little logo banner in the middle. And for the longest, that's how I always made them, because I never really got many views from anything else besides mobile, so I was never worried about it. Well, here about a week ago, I was checking our analytics, and I mean, they're skyrocketing, which is good. Our subscriber count, but everything else is going up. And so I made this right here, which is the channel art of now. And this is still for mobile, but my channel art now is for 3 different things, like it's supposed to be. You know, mobile, then you got your desktop, and now you got your TV. So I'm gonna give you a little show of how I done this a little bit on each different device. Like as you see right here, this is still on mobile, and now we're going to go to desktop. Boom, so it adds a little more. The whole picture's still the exact same. Let's go back to here. See right here, boom, the whole background is still the same. I still use the original picture. I changed the color of the wording a little bit to stand out a little more. And then once you get on desktop, find it here again, boom, right there. When you get on desktop, I put the picture here because, you know, it doesn't really, this is not actually my actual desktop. This was just a picture that I used. But boom, there you go. The picture's still there, except it cuts off my arm a little bit, but that's all fine and dandy. But now it says vlogs, how-tos, challenges, gaming, reviews, and more. And then underneath our profile picture would say subscribe today. But going on to TVs, boom, then it adds another one right there. Gives you a little bit of description at the very top. And then a thank you for watching, youtube.com/DADDYGVILLE'S world. Anyway, you know, I just wanted to go through of what the process that I've done on each different device, because myself, I didn't really care, but then I had people saying, why is the side red? Or they'd watch it on TV or something and be like, why is your picture so small and you got this big red screen? So I changed it up to where, you know, it's the exact same picture, but it does 3 different things, so it's just not a big red screen. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.